Hey y'all, it's your girl CiCi coming back at you with another one. Thanks so much for tuning back into my 12 vids of Christmas. Can't believe I'm doing this. Pulling this off is a lot for me. I'm a teacher who has time. I don't. I'm just trying, and I want to get back into it and just end the year on a bang so I can keep the momentum going into the new year. So welcome to another day, another video. So today's video is obviously going to be a holiday glam look. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, let's get started. I have my hair up, push my stuff back, and we're gonna just get right into it. This is my naked face. I'm gonna start with Master Primer, Primer Base Smooth, Hydrate Smooth. Starting with this. That's on there, well. Start with primer, duh. Now that I'm all hydrated and I basically rubbed away the color corrector, I'm gonna reapply the color corrector. I did read like acne in your cheeks has to do with like your stomach or like poor diet or something, and I'm like, relatable. So I'm gonna try this Master Camo in the, I don't know, 50 Apricot. It's for dark circles. I'm gonna try it in my eyes because something's supposed to happen here, because watch it just suddenly come out. I'll be, nope. Hello, is anybody home? I just took the wrapper off. Oh, there we go. I feel like I can still clearly see my dark circles, but like, it's fine. So I'm going to use some of my favorite foundation. It's Maybelline's Fit Me in the Dewy and Smooth look that I got for free on Influencer, and I've been obsessed with ever since. In this color, Pure Beige, so $2.35. Oh, that's a lot. And I'm going to use my favorite brush, which is my Lamora brush I got off of Amazon. Obsessed with this. I use it daily. It's good for stippling, it's good for just brushing. I'm obsessed with this brush. Okay, I thought I put too much on my hand and I'm done already, so lies. And I just feel it looks like more natural to me because your face has like a natural glow kind of to it. Next up, we have concealer. I use my Master Concealer in light to medium. I'm weird with, like, I love this concealer, but I'm weird with it because it doesn't have an applicator, so I kind of have to like figure it out. I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go in with my same brush. If I feel like it's a little, I don't know, if it's creasing or I'm doing what I want to, then I'll pull out the Beauty Blender. Sorry about it. Ooh, what is happening there? I'm gonna grab my Beauty Blender for a second. Did I pre-wet it? No. Because I wasn't thinking. It's fine. Okay. Time to bronze. I'm going to use my Bronze Booster Physician Formula in medium to dark. And I'm going to pull out my BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. And I'm just gonna add some glow, you know? Okay, done. And speaking of contour, I only literally have one contour color, which is in my Master Contour Kit, medium to dark, deep. So I'm going to use my number 6 BH Cosmetic brush in the contour color. And just kind of deepen that a bit. On to the next. I am going to use my Avon blush in Warm Flush. I just love this color a lot. And I use my big fluffy #1 BH Cosmetic brush with this. And sometimes I do a little here, and a little here, and a little here. So I have just a glow. I like to glow. Okay, done with that. And I'm going to bake with the Setting Perfecting Loose Powder in my brush, my Morphe brush. I like the flat end because it's just easier to like bake and chisel the out of your face. Oh god. Oh, I might have went a little too, whatever. We're gonna have a skinty nose today. Just to emphasize. Anywho, now my lips are dry again. I'm gonna re-moisturize a little bit with some Vaseline because it's winter time. Anywho, time to prep these eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Parent Cushion Anti-Aging. Why do I have the anti-aging one? It was in the little travel cheapy section of Ulta, and so I bought it. Break out the old trusty Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolat. And my 7B Anastasia brush is made my eyebrows leakier than ever. I don't know why I didn't buy this when I originally bought the pomade, but literally just don't make the same mistake I did. It didn't give this its full potential. So I'm gonna do my brows. I do under first, and then I kind of brush them down and I do the over part. For me, I fill, I don't create or like anything like that, so I brush them back up and I kind of fill in the dark. Eyebrows on fleek-ish. They look okay. What is in my eyeballs? Everything's in my eyeballs. Onto the eyes. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Carly by Belle Deluxe Edition. We're going to go for like a golden bronzy look here. So I'm going to use a #8 BH Cosmetics. It's a little fluffy. We're going to go in with this pretty like chocolate color here. It's like a milk chocolate. And we're going to do our crease. And our outer corner. Apparently really heavily we're gonna do that. Love that. Yay. I'm sorry, some of you are like, CiCi, have you ever done makeup before? I swear I have. Everything in me affects with blending in a lash, right? Okay. Whatever. We're gonna cover this stuff in like glitter and it won't matter, right? So next up, I'm going to take my #10 and we are going to find this gold color. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, we're going to do it on the lid. Oh, wow. Do you? Wow. Okay, and now I'm gonna kind of come back and like blend and like, you know, not fully do away with everything I just did. Because we're like very gold right now. And I'm kind of living. So I'm gonna take this little Fluffy number 9. And I'm gonna use this lighter shade. I'm gonna put it smack dab in the center. Kind of like a highlight of my eyeball. Just right there. Woo-hoo. Okay. We did that. We tried it. Okay, next up I'm gonna pull some Kitty Cat Eye by CoverGirl because it's the only eyeliner that they had in the drugstore. It wasn't even the drugstore. I was at Giant. I'm gonna do my lash line. An Ulta automatic eyeliner in Golden Eyes to do my bottom. I get it in my waterline too. Someone says they want gold for Christmas, you give them yourself. Now, my worst nightmare, liquid eyeliner. I'm using the BH liquid eyeliner to do just a little something. Yes, I did it how I wanted it. Kind of. This thing is really fine tipped, like you can't see it because my eye is distracting, but like, love that. I'm gonna add a lash. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. It's Holiday Glam. I'm gonna use the Kiss. Looks so natural. Shy Kiss. And Duo. Oh my god, guys, lashes are on. What? First try, never. And I didn't get on camera. I'm kind of upset with myself. But anyway, I'm gonna take my big old number 2 and brush away this bacon because we're done. We're ready to come out the oven. Yeah, just realized didn't put on mascara on my bottom lashes. This is Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Maybelline. I look like a deer from this angle. So I'm gonna line my lips with Waterproof Beige Cosmetic Lip Liner and then Dora. We are going to use my favorite Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Voyager because it's a nice, beautiful, deep red, and I feel like that screams holidays, Christmas, all that goodness. So let's put her on. I don't think you guys know how like severe my OCD is, but it's pretty bad. But I think, wait, we're not done. What am I talking about? Highlighter, duh. Since this is a golden look, we're gonna go with some golden stuff. So I'm gonna take my highlighter brush, my number 5, in this lighter gold shade. And I'm gonna do it down my nose. On the tip of the nose, of course. Wow. And I'm gonna take this darker gold color. I like to like make my nose lighter and my cheeks a little bit darker. So I'm gonna do this color here on the cheek highlight. Oh my god, this palette is so freaking beautiful. Yes, look at me. I'm freaking gleaming. I'm gleaming. Other side. I feel like a freaking angel on the top of a tree. And I'm gonna use some of that here. I'm gonna use my fan highlighter brush in this lighter color and just, okay, pat it above the lip. Ooh, yes. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I think we're done. Let's get to final looks. Obviously, I'm gonna finish this off with some setting spray, so I'm gonna use my Make It Last Milani. Yes, and yeah, we're done. Thank you so much for watching my holiday glam makeup video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you know when I put out my new 12 Vid of Christmas tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. 12 videos in a row every day. I mean, people vlog every day, but I'm not on that level, so like for me this is huge. Yeah, so please subscribe, please like, please keep tuning in. Follow me on social media at TNVJ. That's for my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, choose to shine, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!